Stop wondering why your run doesn't have a map. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to turn on GPS on the Fitbit Charge 6, and I promise you, it's easier than you think once you know the secret. Hello everyone, I'm Anna, and welcome to For Real. If you've ever finished a great outdoor workout, synced your Fitbit, and then felt that disappointment when you realize there's no route map, just a blank space where your epic journey should be, you are definitely not alone. The Charge 6 is a fantastic tracker, but finding this one specific setting can be surprisingly tricky. But don't worry, that ends today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to guide you through every single tap and swipe to activate GPS for any workout you want. Why is this important? Turning on GPS gives you super accurate pace and distance data, and of course, that awesome, shareable map of your route. It's a game changer for tracking your progress. One quick thing to keep in mind, using GPS will use more battery. That's why Fitbit makes you enable it per exercise, so you're not draining power during an indoor gym session. We're going to set it up smartly. Ready? Let's get this sorted. Quick fun fact, did you know the GPS system, which stands for Global Positioning System, was originally a US military project? It became fully operational for global civilian use in 1995. Now, that same satellite technology is right here on our wrists. Pretty cool, right? Okay, first things first, wake up your Fitbit Charge 6 so you're on your main clock face. Now from here, we need to get to the exercise app. To do that, just swipe from right to left. You'll see a few different apps as you swipe, like notifications and alarms. Keep going until you land on the one that says exercise. Now that we're in the exercise app, you'll see a few of your most used workouts. These are your shortcuts, but the exercise we want to edit might not be here. We need to access the master list. To do that, you're going to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. Keep swiping up past your shortcuts, past run, past walk, all the way to the very bottom until you see a big button that says More. That's our target. Go ahead and tap More. Perfect. You're now looking at the full list of every single workout type your Fitbit can track. There are a ton. For this example, I'm going to set up GPS for a bike ride. So I'll just swipe up until I find bike. Once you find the workout you want, just tap on it to select it. Okay, quick pause. We are at the most important step. If this has been helpful so far, do me a huge favor and tap that like button down below. It seriously helps the channel and tells me I'm on the right track. Thank you so much. All right, this is the secret step that trips everyone up. You're now on the start screen for your workout. You'll see a big play button to begin. Do not tap that yet. Instead, from this screen, swipe up from the bottom one more time. It doesn't look like there's anything there, but I promise there is when you swipe up. Voila! You've revealed the hidden settings menu for this specific exercise. And there it is. You'll see the option for GPS. Right now, the toggle is off. Simply tap on that toggle. You'll see it switch on and fill with color, and that's it. GPS is now enabled for this specific workout. From now on, every time you choose bike, GPS will be active and ready to track your route. One last piece of trivia for you. GPS satellites have to account for Einstein's theory of relativity. Their clocks actually run slightly faster than clocks on Earth. If scientists didn't correct for this, GPS navigation errors would accumulate at a rate of about 10 kilometers every single day. Just remember, you'll need to repeat this process for any other outdoor exercise, like hike or run, where you want a map. And there you have it. You now know exactly how to find that hidden menu and turn on GPS for any workout on your Fitbit Charge 6. No more missing maps. Now you can track every outdoor adventure with confidence and see exactly where you've been. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss more easy-to-follow tech guides from me here at For Real. Give the video a thumbs up if it solved your problem, and let me know in the comments. What other Fitbit feature confuses you? I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.